Hi everybody, this is Michael, Force 196. Coming to you today, I got my 2013 box of Topps Minis in today. So I figured I'd show everybody what those look like and break them and go ahead right here and put them on YouTube. I haven't seen anybody else with this product. See what we got. Alright, there. Case. This. There we go. One autograph or relic in every box. Let's see what we got. This one might be a little bit slower. Not really sure what the hits look like in these, so let's see what we got. Okay, Tim Hudson, gray background. All the odds are on here, like what you can get. Gold is 1 in 7. That's parallel. Mini base parallel. Pink is 1 in 16. Black's 1 in 78. Platinum's 1 in 388. Printing plate 1 in 97. Chasing history, mini auto, mini relic, blah 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 blah. Basically, why I got this is I saw this product for Topps, but I didn't see many people opening and breaking it. This is Chasing History, scoreless innings, doesn't look numbered. I'm not sure what's short print or not on Topps. I'll have to look later. Or if you want to comment, just go ahead and leave a comment down there and let me know. Educate me. Just going by these base ones quick because nobody wants to see me open a base box of base cards. You can go for every single one. The fan. Look at the fan. It's like a perfect photo bomb. Hope you see that. Base. I'll go through all the cards that I pull out that look different at the end, unless I get a hit. Let's not on that. Chasing History, Strikeout Kings, some Verlander. Soriano, it's a Yankee. Mark Ellis, looks like a pink background almost. Base. Base. Puig in there. Puig. lovers out there. There we go. Jay Bruce. Game used memorabilia. Part of his jersey. Chasing History. Strasburg. Strikeouts per 9 inning. Bud Norris in there. Base. Strasburg. Luke Ochabar, KC. Base. Chasing History. Little Bob Feller. You see that? Season strikeouts. If you guys are wondering, I did purchase this box directly from Topps. Like I said, not many dealers I saw that actually had this product. A lot of KC in here. I think the price on the box was $59, maybe? Not sure. Price, Verlander and Weaver. And run average leaders. All base. And more pay. Oh, Roberto Clemente. Chasing History. $3,000 hits. And all base. Giovanni Soto. I'm hoping to pull a mini auto out of here, but I'm thinking I got my hit. One per box. Mariano Rivera. Chasing History. Saves record. Yep, on base. 2 packs left. Last pack. And all base. So here's what we got. Out of here we got the Mariano Rivera saves record, chasing history. Gio Soto gold border. It's not really gold. I don't know what that is. Gold, I guess. Chasing history. Roberto Clemente 3,000 hits. You can see that. There we go. Another gold border. Chasing history. Season strikeouts. Bob Feller. See, I like the look of these cards. These cards look actually pretty nice. Here's the back. These ones look pretty nice. Gold border. These are all numbered. We'll look at the backs of those in a second. Strasburg, chasing history, strikeouts per 9. Here's my hit. Jay Bruce, game used memorabilia. Certified mini relic card. Online exclusive. eBay 101. There's a Mark Ellis pink border, which is numbered to 25. So that's a nice little. You see that? There we go. Nice little. The pink must be low numbered. A little print. Justin Verlander, chasing history, strikeout titles. Gold border. Chasing history, Dylan Bundy. And then Tim Hudson, this is a silver border. This one is, oh, that's nice. You see that? A true 1 of 1. That's nice. That'll work. These ones are of 62. Giovanni Soto 62. Hosmer 62. Hogovar 62. And Wilmot books. These are all of 62. So I don't know if it's an online exclusive for these or, but my first look at these I was like, oh, but now I got a 1 of 1. And a card of 25, got the hit over there. And these all chasing history, which don't seem to be numbered. I'm sure they're just in there for, but they're actually a very nice looking card. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If anybody else has opened any packs of these, go ahead and let me know. And let me know what you guys think on this product. Alright, thanks. I'll see you guys soon with another break.